When it comes to installing doors in Clinton Township, Michigan, weather conditions can play a significant role in the process. Whether you're installing a new front door, a patio door, or replacing a worn-out entryway, the local climate can affect the timeline, cost, and quality of the installation. Clinton Township, with its diverse weather patterns, requires special consideration to ensure your door installation is done efficiently and effectively. The importance of weather consideration. Clinton Township experiences all 4 seasons, which means that different weather conditions can have a major impact on how well a door installation is carried out. From the cold, snowy winters to the warm, humid summers, weather fluctuations can affect the materials used, the installation schedule, and the overall performance of your new door. Cold winters and their impact on installation. During the winter months, Clinton Township can experience frigid temperatures, snow, and icy conditions. This can create several challenges for door installation. Temperature sensitivity of materials. Many materials used for door frames and seals, such as wood and weather stripping, can become more brittle in cold temperatures. This makes it harder to properly seal the door, leading to potential drafts or heat loss. Extreme cold also makes certain adhesives and caulks less effective, which can delay the sealing process and lead to poor insulation. Frozen ground and unfavorable conditions. Frozen ground can make it difficult to perform groundwork for door installation, especially when installing exterior doors that require proper alignment and anchoring. If the ground is too hard, digging and installing the door frame becomes a strenuous task that could extend the time needed for installation. Unpredictable weather delays. Snowstorms and winter weather can lead to delays in delivery and work schedules. If you are installing a door during the winter, you may need to account for the possibility of rescheduled appointments due to unsafe working conditions, such as ice accumulation on steps and sidewalks. Spring and fall. Ideal conditions for door installation. The mild spring and fall seasons in Clinton Township provide an ideal environment for door installation. Temperatures during these months tend to be moderate, which reduces the chances of weather-related complications. More stable temperatures. With less extreme heat or cold, door materials like wood and metal can expand and contract less, which helps ensure proper fitting and weatherproofing. Additionally, adhesives, paints, and sealants tend to perform better when applied in moderate temperatures, leading to a more durable and long-lasting result. Less risk of delays. Spring and fall typically bring less rain than summer, so you're less likely to experience delays due to wet weather. Additionally, these seasons don't present the same extreme weather challenges as winter, allowing for more reliable scheduling of door installation appointments. Comfortable working conditions. For the installers, the moderate weather ensures a safer and more comfortable working environment. Since the workers don't have to deal with the challenges of extreme cold or heat, the installation process is likely to go smoothly and efficiently. Summer heat. Challenges for door installation. In the summer months in Clinton Township can be hot and humid, which can present its own set of challenges for door installation. Heat-related material issues. In hot weather, materials like wood can expand, which can cause issues with proper alignment. If not carefully handled, the door may not fit properly during installation. Additionally, extreme heat can cause paint and sealant to dry too quickly, leading to less effective application and poor adhesion. Worker fatigue and safety. The heat can take a toll on workers, especially during lengthy installations. High temperatures may lead to fatigue, which can affect the quality of work. Installers may need to take more frequent breaks or schedule the installation during cooler parts of the day to avoid exhaustion. Air conditioning efficiency. If you're replacing an entry door during the summer, it's important to consider how the installation might affect your home's air conditioning efficiency. An improperly sealed or poorly installed door can cause your air conditioning system to work harder, increasing energy costs. Preparing for the weather. Before scheduling your door installation in Clinton Township, it's essential to consider the weather forecast and time of year. If you're looking to minimize delays and ensure the best possible installation, spring and fall are generally the best times for door installation. However, if you need to install a door during the winter or summer, make sure to work with a professional installer who understands how weather conditions can affect the process and is equipped to handle them. Choosing a reputable door installation company in Clinton Township that is familiar with local weather conditions can help ensure that your door is installed correctly, regardless of the season. With careful planning and the right professional guidance, you can enjoy a new door that provides security, energy efficiency, and lasting beauty for years to come.